Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with an unboxing video from, I think it's from Blueberry Beads. So I didn't buy any beads. It's polymer clay, mostly. I went on a buying binge after my freeze, and I really haven't been able to get back on my freeze yet. So, they had a lot of colors that I wanted to try, and they had Cernet, and that's not carried in stores, so, or at least around me. So I really wanted to try it out. They had a sale, and Heidi kind of turned me on to Blueberry Beads. So I want to show you what I got. Got a lot of clay. So, got a lot of neons. All right, so I'll have to tell you the colors. This one is neon green, obviously. Neon pink, neon fuchsia. Beautiful color. Neon yellow. And neon orange. No idea what I'm going to be using these neons on, but I love neon colors. 80s baby. Although I really was a baby in the 80s. I really grew up in the 90s. Okay, so this is Sculpey. I've never seen this color before. I didn't even know it was out there. It is fluorescent yellow. Fluorescent yellow. I never seen it. I didn't even know. I was looking at their website. I've never seen this color either. And it's fluorescent pink, I think. Fluorescent pink. So I thought that was really cool. Yes, I did get, but they're completely different pinks. Even if they were the same, I'd probably still get them because I wanted to try them out. I'm not a huge Fimo person because it's super stiff, but I really wanted this yellow pretty badly, the lemon yellow. And of course they have a yellow fluorescent, so I tried that. Bright orange. Neon orange. I promise I didn't only get neons. I think that's actually the bulk of the neons. I think that's the only Fimo I got. So then I got some Cernet translucent. These are all kind of mixed together. I'm going to try and grab them by type. So we got translucent in emerald, which is like a turquoise color. And then it looks like the only other translucent I got in Cernet was just regular translucent. I got the large one. I've heard great things about Cernet translucent. I just haven't used it before, so I got the larger one. Then I got some opaline, which I'm not quite sure. I feel like it's the middle between their translucent and their regular opaque clay, but I don't know. I got it because I wanted to play. I didn't obviously get every color, but I got yellow, primary yellow, because I feel like, we want primary colors so we can make other colors. This one's magenta. I did get one color that's not primary, lilac. And they didn't, I don't know if they had a red. That's why I got the pink for making primary colors, or using primary colors. And then primary blue, and then I think this one's just white. So we're gonna have a lot of fun playing with those. I got these two. I really thought I bought all three of the nature colors, but I think now that I'm thinking about it, I already had some granite. I bought a lot of granite right before this of Primo, so I didn't need the gray. So I got it in basalt, which is like a sagey green, and then savannah, which is like a taupe or beige. I just did a haul video with Polymer with Hobby Lobby, and I bought this. You can make your own granite colors basically with that, whatever color you want, using embossing putty or sand or pepper or whatever you want to use. Then I got some of their number one. This is just opaque. At that point, I had already added so much to my cart that I wasn't going to get really the base any more than just black and white. And then I like this pale blue. Caribbean is what they called it. I should have gotten red and yellow and then a blue, but at that point I was done. And then I did buy some pearls, but more metallics than pearls. I'm interested to see what the difference is between the metallics and the pearls. So in pearl, I just got pearl white, so sparkly with the micas, you can't really see in there. I got pearl or pink, so baby pink, it's so pretty. The yellow, I did get quite a bit of yellow this time because I just felt like the yellows were so gorgeous, all the ones that I got. And then I got blue. So I don't know if you can see that, but there's a ton of pearl pigment or pearl micas in there. Now, the interesting thing is I cannot really tell the difference between what makes this one metallic and what makes this one pearl. Maybe there's just more mica in the pearls, but I'll have to do tests of them together because this one's blue and this one's blue, but one's metallic. I mean, the blue's a little darker, but I really don't know the difference. And then here, the yellows look so similar. It just looks like these are more sparkly, the pearls. So I'm guessing that's the difference. So I'm kind of glad I got the same colors there because I want to see what they are. Oh, and I got metallic white. Or no, this one, it's pearlescent, but it's metallic. Isn't that weird? And this one's just pearl white. So maybe they're just going to look the same, but maybe not. Then the other metallic colors I got were this turquoise gold. It's so pretty. It's got like a gold luster in the turquoise. I got gold, red, which is kind of pinky, turquoise, and then last but certainly not least, because it's such a gorgeous color, copper. So I'm super excited. Way more Cernet than I've never had Cernet before, so I'm really excited to use it. Hopefully I like it, because if I don't, I'm gonna have a lot of Cernet left over. But I'm just really excited to have new colors to play with. I have a lot of Sculpey colors, and I've probably used at least some of all of the colors of Sculpey, but I've never used these, and certainly never neon, so I'm super excited to use that. I did get two other things that were not clay from Blueberry Beads. I got these two Inca Golds. They're wax paints. So look at that green. This just looks like, doesn't it look like a villain from Disney green? That's just what it reminds me of. It's just so beautiful. I can't wait to use it. And I actually have something off to the side that I want to use it on today. So look at that. Oh, it's so yummy. There's a lot of depth in there. There's a lot of blues I'm seeing come out, but you can't really tell that on the camera. I don't think, at least not with my old phone camera. 2023, I'm getting a new phone. Just don't want to buy it right now. And then Inca Gold, I got the purple or violet. I just thought it was such a cool color. And the reason why I started with just crazy colors is because I have a lot of wax paints in a bunch of colors, but not this purple, or not anywhere close to purple, and not anywhere close to green. Look at that. Look how luscious that is. I want to eat it, but I would get really sick if I did that. So thanks for watching. Let me know if you've ever shopped with Blueberry Beads. Let me know if you play with polymer clay, if you're interested in polymer clay, if you played with Cernet, or anything really. I hope you have a fantastic day. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super duper cute. Bye-bye.